6D Buildtech is not just more of the same old precast. We stand alone in offering immediate stability, continuous insulation and fast assembly. Let's build this villa together now. Before building parts arrive, there is just a slab. The first thing we do is mark off the lines for the face of the wall and centre the dowel holes. Then place plastic shims to provide level bearing surfaces for the walls. The first wall panel is set and braced. Then the second wall is set, the centering pin stabilises the wall, then the third wall is added to the joint. When the fourth wall is brought in, the centering pin drops to its full depth and the vertical rebar pin is installed, dropping into the hole previously drilled into the slab. Walls are shipped to the site in the same order they will be erected. And the erection crews are working with drawings similar to these, so the work is very straightforward and very productive. It doesn't take much time for an erection crew member to get through the learning curve and achieve maximum productivity. So the construction progresses quickly and safely. Then the precast stair units and the last two walls, which are unique at this level, the remainder are mirror images of the walls that have just been erected. All those walls are just two lonely braces. Conventional precast construction has braces everywhere. You can't even walk. With Buildtech, you can walk and you can work. Setting hollow core floor panels on the first floor is even more straightforward. Again, panels are shipped in order of placement. The braces previously installed now must be removed because now they will be in the way of floor panels spanning the wall previously braced. The floor panels are quickly brought across, establishing the first floor deck. This is a good place to pause and note the continuous blue insulation layer in the Buildtech system. Conventional precast does not allow continuous insulation because for the steel embed connection system it requires insulation to stop before both ends and the top and bottom layer of each wall panel. This creates thermal bridges that conduct heat around the insulation layer, leaving 30 to 40% of the wall area uninsulated. Buildtech provides 100% insulated building envelope, which makes it comfortable and energy efficient. Before you know it, once that side of the floor is installed, on the other side is a mirror image of the panels just installed. Now we do the layout lines and drill the holes for the second floor assembly rods. Installation of the second floor proceeds just as it did on the first floor. We know that our competitor on the project showed plans to set 6 wall panels each day. We know that Buildtech can set 4 to 5 panels per hour. That means for each villa a competitor completes, Buildtech can complete 5 villas in the same time. Repetition is our friend. The more repetitive the work, the faster we can do it. We have been studying and analysing building construction for 30 years. The ideas that went into the invention of Buildtech are really formed around the notion of why can't we build in a fashion that works more like a child's block set than by the painfully slow and tedious methods of conventional construction. Ten years ago it was just an idea, but a lot of hard work by a great team of people has transformed that idea into a concrete reality. A reality that allows buildings to be built more quickly, of higher quality and greater strength. If you are familiar with conventional building construction practices, you recognise now that Buildtech represents a revolution in building construction, a revolution that is poised to help build the future now. So that completes the assembly of this 2-villa duplex unit and allows the crane to move on to the next job site. We hope that you can see now that Buildtech stands apart from the crowd. We stand apart from the competition by providing immediate stability, continuous insulation, the construction industry's fastest construction process. So on behalf of Buildtech, I thank you for your time and attention.